Hey guys, welcome back. We are looking at a new ChatGPT feature which now allows you to highlight a text for a context. So ChatGPT has enabled a new feature which enables you to highlight parts of a response for a quick follow-up questions, partial responses, rewrites, reusing old context. So how do you get this to work? So basically the first part is prompt ChatGPT and just generate a response. So here I just asked a question, how stock market reacts in a US presidential election. And once you get a response here, highlight relevant part of the response you want to follow up, and we will see how this can be done. Basically, we have to select a specific part and we will see a double quote above the highlighted text, and using the highlighted text would automatically add it in the next prompt, so you can ask clarification and counter questions. So incumbent wins, new administration and all of it, uncertainty and volatility. So let me ask a follow-up question here. So as you see the quote here, you can do it, and I just want to ask, what is the historical volatility pre-election and post? So what I'm trying to do is to ask a follow-up question on what it gave me a response. So let's see what it's gonna do. And it's giving you some historical volatility, 15 to 20%. Okay, so here I'm just gonna ask a specific question here. Generate a chart of the move in SPY 3 months ahead of the pole. So let's see if it gives me the chart. So as you can see, I'm using the new GPT-4o model. If you don't like it, you can also use GPT-4. So it's available in both. So it's not only in a specific GPT. GPT 3.5 doesn't have this feature. So GPT-4 or GPT 4.5 has this feature, and it's gonna take some time before we get a response for this. So the idea is not to actually look at this specific query. So the idea here is you can highlight any text, and if you click on reply, it is automatically embedded in the response and you can ask a follow-up questions. And that's basically what I wanted to cover. I hope this was useful, and thank you for joining.